current weight is 45 tons. Is that correct?
Yes, that matches the manifest.
All right, you may proceed slowly to the unloading bay.
Despite advanced technology, human oversight remains crucial. The team meticulously inspects the line.
Clear process water is injected into the rasping chamber, mixing with the white pulp to help release the starch granules from the fiber. These high-grade stainless steel networks ensure the pristine cassava pulp is rapidly transported to the next stage of processing. The white slurry enters here to spin out any remaining fine sand before extraction. The desanded white slurry flows into the massive buffer tank, where the agitator stirs it slowly to keep the solids evenly suspended. underflow provides the pristine starch milk, a continuous stream of creamy white liquid, essential for the next stage of processing.
This continuous washing process is critical. Moves from one sieve to the next. Starch milk enters under high pressure. The cyclones use centrifugal force to separate pure starch from fruit water and protein.
The concentrated white milk fills a large stainless steel surge tank. An agitator keeps it moving gently.
The starch milk valve opens, sending the thick suspension into the high-speed centrifuge for separation.
The hydraulic scraper extends, expertly shearing the moist starch cake from the centrifuge wall, ensuring a continuous flow of the pristine product. The moist clumps fall into a high-speed disintegrator fan. This breaks the lumps into a fine mist of damp powder.
The forker. The drying curve is carefully monitored.
The hot powder exits the main cyclone and enters the secondary cooling system, where cold air is mixed in to stabilize the temperature.
Welcome to Phase 7, Sieving and Quality Control, where massive vibratory sifters ensure the highest purity.
Operating at high frequency, the multi-deck circular sifter guarantees a uniform particle size across the entire batch.
Any starch or grit that fails the screening process is ejected here into the rework bin for reprocessing.
Utilizing advanced stretch racking technology, the turntable ensures every product is tightly secured for transport.